So welcome to my YouTube channel Digiwebengineers. So today I am showcasing you how to run a casino ads. So basically I have made a new ID and I have made a banner on like Canva. So I have used. So this is a dashboard I am showing you, and where I will show you how I have run ads. So I will go into a meta and I click on this and I'll show you the ad manager. So I can show you the ads also. So where I have not connected the Instagram, but I have run the ads. So basically it will run only a half placement, so it will not run on Instagram. So it will run only in, is not showing, it is saying that not delivering. So views are this viewer. So basically I have run this ads. If I can show you on my ad manager dashboard. So you can say this is a today's date. You can check today is 23 2026. So this is a live campaign performance which I am showing you. So I have selected today's date. So I'll go by this. So I'll update this, and it is taking little bit time. So I'll show you I have run the campaign, and this is my campaign performance, and budget is finished, so that's why it is not delivering. If I'll add the budget, then it will run. So basically I'll show you. If I'll click on this view detail, so this is my ad delivery result. So you can check the dashboard. It is a live dashboard. So I have set 2000 daily budget. Till now it is invest near about 300 rupees only. And see, I have clicked only like Facebook access iPad. I have selected only iPhones. So total amount is invested near about 319 rupees. So selected audience, in selected audience I have got near about a landing page views 58. So basically in previous my class I have already told you how to design a auto redirect page in system.io, because you need to put a HTML code to your system.io. Either you can put it on to WordPress also. So I told you how to design that previous video. So you can see that video, that is in Hindi. So you can follow that if you want to make. So basically it is what when customers are visiting to my this page, so I put such a landing page in which someone will click, because you cannot directly put the landing page of Telegram, because I run the ads for Telegram ads, because my customer want that to join to Telegram. He does not want a WhatsApp lead or like some other leads. He want that to customers to join to only his Telegram channel. So I made this ad and it is live also, so you can check. So it will take some little bit time to load it, so you can check it here. So I have promoted my landing page. This is my landing page, you can check also. So if I'll edit on this, you can see the result which I have got 52 54 landing page click, right? So you can check here the result are very great. So you can check cost per result is I am getting 4. So cost per result I am getting 4, which is very minimum cost. So if you want, then you can click to my website, which is digiwebengineer.org. So if you want, then you can directly click on that. Okay. So you can book a live demo also. I can show you the result on my dashboard if you want. You can just click on your name, you can put down the mail ID, you can put down your contact number also, and you can get a free consultant, and it is free. And I'll show you my dashboard if you want that. If you want that, okay, I'll show you the demo, which is already I am running the ads, so you can check it here. And these are amount spent 252, impression is this, and reach is this, and it is a 7-day campaign. Per day budget is 300 rupees. So if you want that, I can put your demo ad also. So you can book any call or any like consultants to my website. You can click on to this website. I can show you the ad also. So if I'll click on edit, I can check you also. You can check it here. So this is my ad, which is very simple ad, and I have made it from Canva.